Good morning, guys! Ooh. Oh my God, what's that? Anyway, good morning sa inyo lahat. This is pinkjtv. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. That was a joke. Anyway, good morning guys. Magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is again pinkjtv. Anyway, today is Tuesday or Monday instead. So as you can see, I have a new bike frame here. So I'm just gonna do some unboxing. Hindi pala unboxing. Sana is unboxing. Anyway, etong bike na to is, or bike frame na to is, hindi na naman akin. So,
paano masabi?
So, nakakalungkot talaga kasi nga, lagi na lang may mga magandang bike na dumadaan sa buhay natin, which is, hindi na, ang ginagawa lang talaga natin is to fix it. So yun lang ang ginagawa natin, bibigli tayo ng mga parts, tapos ilalagay natin sa frame na to, and then ganun lang, tapos ibibigay na sa may-ari. So nakakalungkot ang buhay. Life is unfair, sabi nila, pero I think ganun talaga, you have to do something to get something. So something like that. So anyway guys, again, I have a new project coming in. Actually, hindi pa to kompleto, but this will be my second project, full bike project. In a sense, kasi nga, etong bike na to is not really complete bike package, or like, it's not a complete build, in a sense, kasi nga may mga parts na nakalagay. As you can see, mayroon na siyang crank, mayroon siyang BB, and then mayroon siyang headset on the top part of this frame. But anyway, I can still claim that it's my build bike.
Paano masabi?
Pero siguro 90% of it will be built by me. So anyway, share ko lang kung ano yung unang-unang pinaka-importante part pag nag-build ka ng isang bike. So anyway, makikita nyo naman, it's very obvious that I have here frame na mountain bike, a full suspension. The brand itself is Alchemy, na ang model niya is Arktos. The brand Alchemy is a US brand ng bike na nag-originate 2008 sa Colorado, United States of America. They do like full suspension, gravel bike, racer, and all those type of bikes na very common sa ibang brands like Giant, Trek, those kinds. But anyway, just gonna do some like sharing on this frame, which is the frame was given to me the other day. The owner's mark, which is new to mountain biking in a sense, kasi nga I think this year lang siya nag-start mag-bike.
Paano masabi?
He started using Giant Phantom mountain bike na 29er, and then he tried it on trail. And then unfortunately, hindi niya nagustuhan, or siguro hindi niya nagustuhan kasi nagpalit siya ng frame, or magpapalit siya ng frame, o magpapalit siya ng mountain bike. Or naudyukan lang siya ng mga ma-addict na mga kasama namin na bumili ng full suspension mountain bike. But anyway, wala na ako doon. As far as I'm concerned, I'm here to help them build the bike they wanted. As you can see, this is a Alchemy Arktos or Arktos na 29er. I mean the frame itself is a 27.5 na ang frame type niya is a boost frame, which is this part boost na siya. And then the only problem is we don't have the fork yet, but eventually mayroon nang mabibili yan sa carousel, which is looking for it pa na yung nung frame na, I mean yung fork na Fox 36 na 160 travel. But let me just discuss first this frame. So again, this is a 27.5 boost frame, Alchemy brand. Is a full carbon na frame na Alchemy. Makikita niyo sa part na to, it's Alchemy. And then the color combination is very common, which is for Alchemy, it's orange, and then the color of the frame is matte black. And then, makikita nyo dito sa rear shocks niya, it's a Fox DPX2 na, if I'm not mistaken, this is the stock na shocks na itong frame na to. So, nothing much I can do here kasi nga kulang pa tayo sa mga parts. But eventually, this will be the first item that I have to discuss kasi nga, this is the most important part. Kasi without this, you can build a bike, though it applies to the rest of the items or the parts. But ito yung when you build a bike, you have to buy the frame first, not the fork, not the brake, not the group set. But you have to, the baseline will be, you have to get a frame before building a bike. So, which is yun yung ginawa ni Mark. Bumili siya ng Alchemy na frame. Nabili lang to ng very cheap lang. I think it's 1.2k Singapore dollars. If you convert it, it would cost you around 40,000 pesos. It's a very cheap na, pero magandang klase itong bike na to. Ewan ko bakit na benta or binenta ng may-ari. Siguro marami siyang pera na pwedeng lustayin. So, binenta na lang niya sa mga addict etong frame na to. So, as you can see, napakalinis pa. The only problem with this frame is that hindi nilagyan ng Invi-shield para dito sa frame, para protection nito. Kasi nga ito, carbon. So, pag carbon kasi very common pag carbon yung frame, nilalagyan ng Invi-shield. They call it Invi-shield. Para nilalagyan ng plastic to na transparent para just in case magkaroon ng magka-crush ka, tapos tama sa bato, instead na yung frame yung matatamaan directly, tatama muna siya doon sa shield na yun. So, yun yung kulang dito. But the rest, they had installed the crank, tsaka BB na. And then, by the way, this is a new GX na 2021, if not mistaken. This is a new 2021 GX na crank set na kabibili lang. So basically, I'm gonna be discussing also, I'll be sharing also the whole group set once it's already loaded or added to this frame. But anyway, there is also a headset na naka-install na. If I'm not mistaken, it's a Chris King headset. Nabili na din yung headset, yung original headset, dun sa dating may-ari ng frame na to. I think nabili lang niya na 100. Maganda na kasi nga hindi ka na magpapa-install kasi problema nun wala pa akong pang-install na wala pa akong tool para mag-install ng headset, which is the rest, everything, lahat na kaya ko nang i-install. So makikita nyo meron na siyang naka-internal routing cabling na siya. Andito na yung mga para sa shifter, andito na rin yung para sa shifter, tsaka dito sa harap andito din, may cable dito para sa dropper post. So, again, the problem here is, yun nga, may mga onting gasgas lang, pero very common naman pag mountain bike kasi lagi ka sa bundok, so makikita mo eventually talaga mo magagasgasan yung frame. Pero the rest, I mean the whole package or the whole frame, nasa good condition pa siya, at the same time cheap. So again, na-install namin dito sa GX 2021 na group set, and then yung crankset niya is sa GX 2021. I said a while ago, it will be a 32 teeth na chainring sa harap, and then yung sa likod will be 11 by 52 teeth. Ito, ganun na kasi yung configuration ng bagong GX na SRAM. So again, this is 32 teeth, and then the back part will be 52 teeth. Yun yung pinakamalaki. So, yun yung ilalagay namin na boost na dito sa part na to, and then yung magiging mga additional parts will be discussed or will be shown in my next video. So, watch out na lang. So, yun lang. Shinare ko lang kung ano meron dito sa bike na to or dito sa frame na to. Eventually, mabibuild ko to in few weeks, maybe another week pa. Pag meron ng fork, mabibuild ko na siya in maybe 2 days. Mabibuild ko na siya. And then, ready to roll na sa trend. So, yun lang guys. Shinare ko lang kung anong meron dito sa frame na to. Sana meron kayo natutunan. Sana meron kayong naintindihan. Sana man lang. Sana man lang, meron kayo naintindihan. Kahit onti lang. at least, pinapakita ko lang, it would be the phase 1 of my project, Alchemy project bikebuild. So this will be the phase 1, and the rest of the phases will be shared in my next video. So I think that would be all again. This is Jay again, pinkjtv. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell button para updated kayo sa mga susunod na videos na ilalabas ni PJ. So, that would be all. This is Jay again. Mabuhay tayong lahat. PinJTV. Signing